Hi y'all, Karma here. It's so great to see you again. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully you'll want to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notified about any future videos. If you're returning, thank you so much for joining me during this video. Don't forget to write me a comment. Let me know how you're doing today and what you've been up to this summer. Today we're going to be opening the Cosmedix. And Cosmedix changed their name, so we'll do that reveal in a second. But Cosmedix is a quarterly subscription box with the goal to build a community of women who support women. Each seasonal core Cosmedix includes a curation of 6 to 8 products that are beautiful, useful, and give back. There's a period of time when you can customize your box before they're sent out. You usually have about 3 choices that you get to make, and then some of them they make for you. The box is $199 annually, or $54.80 if you do it quarterly, because you choose your options and that kind of thing. So I'm not going to do reviews on the last quarter boxes for these. We'll just open up the boxes themselves. So Cosmedix, usually there's an artist that does the artwork. This box got a little beat up. Even the sticker right there is pretty beat up, but you can say it says Peel here, and I'm sure this is the reveal of their new name, which I already know. But they did change their name a little bit and their mission just a little bit. It's still a lot the same. There we go. Alltrue. So the new name for Cos is Alltrue. And they have rebranded themselves. So let's get right into this box. All right, as I open the box here, all of our items are down in there, along with our books that tell us about the items and so on and so forth. So let me set this down somehow. Big box. And let me pull out any of the paperwork first. Now, I did see something that they're doing, like a new quarterly magazine or something that you can order. So I'm thinking that this might be the first one that they're just giving to all of us. It says All Good Things, edition 01, summer 2021, a seasonal guide for conscious living. Build an at-home apothecary. Discover natural wine, grow your own mushrooms, and so much more. So this is the little magazine that they have. I don't know if this is the one that they're going to be selling, but nice, you know, so some great reading and stuff. Let me see if I can find the apothecary one, since that's obviously an interest for me. Page 16. Powered by plants. Julia takes us through the top 10 natural remedies to heal from the outside in. It's almost impossible to believe. It goes through, and then she's got the 10 natural skincare ingredients for your at-home apothecary. And then she's got a hydrating and firming cacao face mask. Ooh, I might make that one. I have some cacao. So, interesting. I don't know if this is the one that they're going to charge for or not. Because usually they had this and they had your products in here, but it looks like they're kind of separating out the magazine from the product guide. Then we have Introducing Alltrue. And this is the pamphlet that goes through and talks about we're here for good, Alltrue, beyond the box. Tried and true. What's in the name? Alltrue, a fundamentally inclusive word, all. All are welcome. Bring your full self. The Alltrue community is here for you at home, with work, in life, all of it, for all women. True, truth is at the heart of everything we do. As product curators and community leaders, we find the facts and share them with you. Altruism, a selfish concern for the well-being of others, a selfless concern for the well-being of others. We are altruists. Could there be a more perfect word to describe this community? Then it looks like they made a little flag, and it stands for hope, the world, and community. And then our values: every action for good, seek and share the truth, always open to learning, and support and celebrate women. So this is their new kind of mission statement and goals for the new Alltrue box. Guide to summer, explore the summer box. Oh, okay. So this is like a fold out kind of thing. Guide to summer. Okay. Brighter days. She has a little letter from Hannah, head of product. And then you've got your choice of product 1, and there were 3 choices. You could have the bowls, which is what I got, the natural nautical cooler tote, or the oversized roundy towel. And I chose the bowls, so let's see if I can find them. Bamboozle homewares, a playful pop of color to your pastry pastimes, dinner parties, and more. In 5 sizes, these vibrant nesting bowls were crafted with the planet in mind, made of 70% bamboo, 15% cornstarch, and 15% binding resin. I wonder if you can microwave or dishwasher them. If there was a renewable resource Olympics, bamboo would take home the gold. Even, let's see, removing the greenhouse, these bowls, it doesn't say anything. They're fully biodegradable though. That's why I'm a little bit worried whether or not you could wash them. Repurposed, biodegradable, sustainable, 5-piece nesting bowls. Says what they're made of. Do not microwave, but they are dishwasher safe, and they're made in China. They're nice and light, so no microwaving, but you can dishwasher them, which is nice. Let's see, if I can get these out. Oh, they're taped too. I'm excited to have them, especially with the new house and such. And they do have some little papers in between them. A nice set of 5 bowls. Let's see, pull out one of the smaller ones so I can kind of show you. They're really nice. Yay! I'm excited to have another set of bowls for salads and that kind of things. Right now I have one big glass bowl nesting set, but I often use several of them when I'm cooking a meal or something, so this will be really nice to have. Yay! Then it says choice of product 2. There's the golden and pine wash waffle dish towels with canvas holder, right there. Or the reduce to go bowl, or the set of 3 packing cubes. Okay, which did I choose? I don't remember which I chose. Don't have the dish towels. Maybe there's another choice over here. Yeah, there we go. Ha 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 ha. There's a 3rd choice for number 2, and that's what I chose. And this is a packable hammock. Nothing says summer quite like a day spent in a hammock, reading a book, sipping a beverage of choice. Made with a durable material and a simple loop design, the Coalatree hammocks lightweight portable construction makes it easy to pack up those summertime feels and bring them along for the ride wherever it takes you. Whether you swing along with the palms or redwoods, make sure to take the hammock down at the end of the night to preserve it for years to come. They're based in Salt Lake City, yay! My birth town, Provo, Utah. Salt Lake's close. I was super excited to get this. This was one of the things I was like, yeah, that actually made me want to resubscribe. So I kind of felt a little bit like this doesn't fit our channel quite as much, but it does, in that we're doing natural things and trying to be eco-friendly, and it gives me a chance to talk about some different products that we could use in our kitchen and stuff, like those bowls. It's amazing that they're biodegradable. So nice, eco-minded, it's packable. I'm not going to pull it out, but I will at least open it up. Okay, so on the top you've got some webbing to be able to hook it up with, and then it is just shoved down in here. It's a nice, like a parachute-y fabric. I'm super excited to put that up and use that. Yay, you will hear back from that. I will put that down on my bottom porch. Very nice. Yay, I'm super excited for that. Okay, then after that, we had a choice of product 3, and there were 2 choices for this. One was a small hours traveling cutlery set, which is what I chose. The other one was a solo stone bracelet. But I chose the cutlery set. It says we've all been there. The drive-through lane. We take our takeout with a side of plastic cutlery because we're on the go and totally forget to pack our own. Here's a simple solution. Stash this in your glove box so you can just say no to single use. Very nice. So small hours. Very nice tin that it's in. It's even got a little hook thing here on the end to hang it with. It just has the little logo on it. Okay, I can be smarter than the tin. Oh, very nice. Look. So it's all nestled down in there and kind of held in place by that little plastic piece. But they're nice. They're, you know, heavy quality, nice set. Very nice. I'm excited to have this. And I will probably put it in maybe my backpack for camping, or I kind of like what they said, just to put it in the your car, so that when you get takeout, you can use it. And just bring them in and wash them and put them back in your car. I like that idea. I guess I had never really thought of not using cutlery at a takeout. Very nice. I'm excited to use that. Yay! And we have 3 more items. So from there it goes to product choice number 4 and 5. But it looks like everyone got, no, number 5 has a choice, but number 4 doesn't. So, oh, it's a duo. It's a set. So you've got a serum. Oh, it says or mattifying moisturizer. Okay, so I got the serum, and it looks like they might, I don't know, maybe I did get to choose this. But it's from Cosmedix. After trying and failing to find a safe, clean skincare products that were actually effective, an esthetician and a nurse decided to create their own. Cosmedix is committed equally to using healthy, safe ingredients and getting results. They're all natural, clinically proven products are formulated to work on all skin types. And when they say all skin types, they mean it. When Cosmedix first started, its founders noticed that people with deeper skin tones had fewer options, as many ingredients messed with their melanin. So they formulated Cosmedix to work with your skin tone, not against it. In this box, you received either the Retinol Serum or the Mattifying Moisturizer. Retinol is the queen bee of every skincare cabinet, known as wrinkle reducing rejuvenation. Your favorite beauty blog and just about every dermatologist around sing its praises. And then it goes into the mattifying moisturizer, but since I didn't get it, I'm not going to read that part. Face serum brightening. No, I'm showing you the wrong thing. This is it. Yeah, Cosmedix plant-based retinol alternative serum. So this is the product we're talking about right here. But I still got the serum. It's a nice clear oil. Well, that's really nice. Really goes a long way too, so you won't want to use too much of it, but it really goes a long way. But really a nice, doesn't really have much of a smell to it, which is good. Again, when you're using stuff on your face, I don't like it when it smells too much because then it competes with your perfume. Nice, so that's our serum. A retinol alternative serum. Then choice of product 5 was either Way of Will Brightening Face Serum, and I've had that before and I do really like it, or the OMG Leave-In Conditioner Blend by Brand with a Heart. And I chose the Way of Will Serum. I'm not going to open that. I've opened this several times and smelled it for you. It's the face brightening one. It is a really nice serum and it goes a long way. I do like Way of Will. So there's our serum there. And last but not least, everyone received a Hanalei Company Hawaiian SPF Lip Trio. Relieve dryness and restore hydration with this topical trio of lip balms of fully cruelty-free and vegan formula. The secret ingredient of our lips is Hawaiian kukui nut oil, a moisturizing elixir packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and E, and more than a little of that spellbinding Hawaiian aloha. In tropical citrus, island mint, and unscented, this trio brings all the island vibes. Very nice. I have tons of these. My mom made me a bunch of lip balms, so I don't know if I will get to use them for a while, but lip balms are nice. I can put it in my first aid kit and have a really nice little set of 3 because everyone's always looking for them when you're out in the sun and no one ever has any on them. So very nice. So in this box I received, let's see here, go back to the beginning. I received the Bamboozle 5-piece nesting bowls, Coalatree Packable Hammock, the Small Hours Traveling Cutlery Set, the Way of Will Brightening Face Serum, and the Hanalei Company, Hanalei, said that wrong, the Hanalei Company Hawaiian SPF Lip Trio, as well as the Cosmedix Retinol Serum. Wow, great box. I give it 2 thumbs up. I definitely got my money's worth. There's well more than even if you paid the $55 for it, if you did the monthly, but at the $199 yearly, this box always gives you way more product value than what you pay for it. And the fact that you get to choose some items makes it so worth the value. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button on this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite product was and why. Have an amazing day and come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.